saluting our everyday heroes, celebrating our 2030 national honorees. Today we're here with a very lovely lady who will be receiving the Order of Distinction.
Thank you for having me, and I really appreciate this.
On October 21, 2013, Gerthlyn Annette Reed Holman will walk across the lawn at King's House to receive a national award from the Governor General. She will join the esteemed group of Jamaicans who have received the Order of Distinction in the rank of officer. Mrs. Holman is being recognized for dedicated contribution to community service and volunteerism. The former board chairman of the Women's Center is known for her gorgeous smile, tall, elegant figure, and collection of hats. But most important, she's known for her love and commitment to service.
I've had a passion for service since I was a child. In other words, it's coming from Westmoreland, where I was born. A parent my father died early. I was still a teenager. And my mother had then, all of us, 11 children, one born after my father died. And so we started giving from early. We were taught to share. And whatever we had, and it was little, but we shared it.
Those early lessons were cemented many years later in tragedy. The death of her only son in a car crash propelled her to do even more for others. Already a member of the global service group Kiwanis International, Mrs. Holman used the organization as a major platform from which to serve her community and Jamaica. In fact, she was one of the founding members of the first female Kiwanis club in Jamaica, opening the door for women with a passion for service. And as the group grew, so did her efforts. Among her major accomplishments is the Dare to Care Institution for Children Living with HIV and AIDS, which was established in 1999. The home came about through partnerships with the mustard seed communities and other private stakeholders.
Dare to Care is my pride and joy. I have a lot of time. I still go, I still work with them, and you know, they are much better now, because I used to cry on a regular basis because babies would die because they didn't have medicine at that time. But now they're getting medicine, so they live. And I'm happy for that.
It is that drive and passion for service that earned her the nation's 6th highest honor. Mrs. Holman says she's happy to be recognized.
It's a great honor. I don't expect to get anything for my service. I love doing service. The passion is there. But to get the award, it makes a difference. You know, I've said this before. My mother, 12 of us, rest her soul. July 7th was 1 year since she's left us. She's looking down, I'm sure she's happy and is glad that I got the award.
And as she gets ready to receive her award, Mrs. Holman is encouraging other Jamaicans to get involved in community life and help build a better Jamaica.